As we conclude another year of learning PLC programming at ACC Automation, we are excited to reflect on the progress, innovations, and milestones we've achieved in 2024. This year has been filled with growth, learning, and pushing the limits of industrial automation. Let's highlight some key events from the year. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there'll be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There'll be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. January, Kickoff with wiring and testing digital inputs on the Click PLC. We began this year with an easy-to-follow guide on wiring and testing digital inputs. To ensure the proper functioning of the PLC digital inputs, it is critical to test and wire the discrete inputs correctly. By understanding the testing progress and providing accurate wiring, we can guarantee the optimal performance of our PLC hardware. Testing the inputs allow us to verify that they function as intended and that our wiring connections are secure. This step is essential in troubleshooting any potential issues and ensuring the reliability of our system. It was a meaningful way to start the year by honing fundamental skills. March, launching the Seymour CM5 HMI series. In March, we introduced the Seymour CM5 HMI series. This post highlighted features like FTP capabilities, secure email, and improved graphics. We also provided a guide to help users set up the Seymour HMI and design user-friendly interfaces. Feedback from the community is overwhelmingly positive, showing that many found it useful for upgrading their systems. We are still posting and making videos of this new upgraded HMI from the Seymour EA9 series. April, Advanced PLC Programming Techniques. April introduced advanced PLC programming with the introduction of LS Electric XGB PLC. This is the first PLC automation direct that sells that can be programmed with more than just the IEC ladder logic. We explore techniques like structured text, sequential function charts, and ladder logic programming. Our tips for optimizing code and implementing efficient control strategies resonate with professionals looking to refine their set skills using artificial intelligence or AI. Looking to the new year, we'll see how instruction lists are programmed using this new XGB PLC. June, Do More PLC P2P Modbus Scanner. In June, we focused on the new Do More Designer Modbus Scanner, an essential tool for IoT applications. We explained how to set it up and connect it with existing PLC systems, providing real-time examples of remote monitoring and data collection. With its advanced features and seamless integration capabilities, this Modbus application empowers you to unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity in your industrial automation applications. The ease of use was the key takeaway. August, the Machine Simulator, a game changer for learning PLC programming. The introduction of the Machine Simulator Modbus server in August was a highlight of the year. This tool allows users to simulate machine operations in a virtual environment, transforming learning PLC programming. We shared easy setup instructions and advanced techniques, making it an invaluable resource for beginners and experts. October, Case Studies, Real-World PLC Applications. In October, we published a series of case studies showing real-world PLC applications across various industries. These stories illustrate how products have helped businesses boost efficiency and minimize downtime, demonstrating the versatility and impact of PLCs. This included the new Click mobile PLC application. It lets you control and monitor your machine from your iOS or Android device. Importing tags from controllers became easy with the tag import option of the CM5 HMI. November, Automation PLC Programming, an infinite game. November introduced automation as an infinite game. PLC programming and automation is an exhilarating game. The relentless pursuit of efficiency and innovation is an exciting journey constantly evolving. Each challenge represents a new opportunity to push the boundaries and unlock incredible possibilities. This adventure embraces the thrill of transforming the future of technology. In the broad context of human progress, automation and programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, have been a significant tool that create complex patterns of efficiency and innovation. However, beyond their practical uses, these technologies prompt us to explore a more fundamental philosophy viewpoint that automation and PLC programming represent an infinite game. December, looking forward to 2025. As the year ends, we look ahead to 2025. Emerging technologies in industrial automation such as AI and machine learning and their potential impact on PLC programming are underway. Plans for new product releases and community engagement initiatives will be made in the new year. 2024 was filled with growth, innovation, and meaningful connections at ACC Automation. We introduced exciting products, shared valuable education content, and strengthened our ties with the community. As we enter 2025, we're eager for what lies ahead and remain committed to supporting our readers and customers in their automation projects. Thank you for being part of the ACC Automation family. Here's to another year of success and progress. To learn more about the remote mobile application for the Click PLC, click here. Click here to view the entire series on the LS Electric XGB PLC.